my gosh, the girl, guys, this looks.
From you wake up every morning, you's a winner, yeah.
What going on, guys? It's your girl Razor in the ding, and welcome back to another video. If you're new, hey boo, and if you're returning, what's up? How you doing? In today's video, I haven't done mini twist in a very long time, and of course I had to get myself mentally prepared to do this because I've been trying to do this for the last couple of weeks. Today's the day. We're really going to do this. Razor, you're really going to do this right now. Yes, we are. And you're going to see the whole entire process. Confessions, I'm not trying to do my hair for the next couple of weeks. Call me lazy if you want, but I just want a style that can last for a very long time while my hair stays moisturized, that I can style as well, and will just push my wash days a little further down instead of doing it once a week. Anyway, that's not what we're talking about. We're talking about mini twist. So what about mini twist? What are we going to be using? Yes, the products. I'm excited. Like, I'm so excited to be using Blue Magic grease to do my mini twist, but it's not my favorite one that I usually use, the Indian hemp. Blue Magic sent over a gift package of the majority of their products. Today, I'm finally going to get to try the Blue Magic Castor Oil. Cue the sound effects. Which a few of you have been raving about. I read my comments. Also, Blue Magic is sponsoring this video. Thank you, Blue Magic. We appreciate you over in these streets. You should be able to find Blue Magic products at any of your local beauty supply stores. I mean, it's all over at this point. Or ask anyone in charge, they may be able to get it for you. I first purchased mine at one of my local supermarkets, so you know. So let me give you a little background on the hair. I shampooed, deep conditioned, and I applied a moisturizer this time around instead of a leave-in conditioner. So my hair is still a little damp. Not a little, my hair is damp. And I have a moisturizer in my head, as I just told you guys. So that's why my hair looks very shiny and moisturized. So we're going to be using a comb, a spray bottle. We have the castor oil grease. And I'm also going to be using another product from Blue Magic that I did not know that they make or that they have. But you'll have to stay tuned in the video to see the product. It's going to seal the deal, actually. So hold on and see. Anytime I do my hair, we have to work in sections. You guys get the gist of sections. Get that into your head. It's probably already there if you watch my videos. Working in sections just makes life easier. Just makes your hair life easier. Don't torture yourself. Work in sections. I'm gonna put this away, and this is why I'm looking for my scrunchy face. I don't know, every time I sit down in front of hair, I never have everything that I need, and I end up looking for things and can't find it. So I'm looking for a scrunchie. Got it. Boom. Next, I'm going to detangle. My roots are a little dry. That's expected, because before this I took a nap. Actually, I really mentally prepared myself for this because I know it's gonna be a lot of work because of all this hair on my head. Okay, I'm starting from the back. I don't think I'm gonna make them extremely small. My parts don't have to be neat or extremely neat, to be honest, because I'm probably not gonna wear them down. I'm excited, open to try this. It doesn't really have a scent. Well, it actually does have a sweet, subtle scent and not too strong. It just smells like the typical Blue Magic, and it's white and clear. White and clear. Can something be white and clear? It's creamish. I don't know. I'm not the color connoisseur, but it's clear. Yeah, let's go with that. So I'm gonna apply a little bit by little. I applied it on my ends first and then worked it up. From this point, I can just detangle with my fingers. And I'm not going to braid the roots. I'm actually going to twist. Should I braid the roots? No. That's going to take even longer. So I'm going to twist the roots. Continue to apply grease if needed be. And that's how we're going to mini twist all this hair on my head. We got a job to do, girl. I wish you were here to help me, because I'm gonna need a lot of help. Well, I'm gonna need some help right now. You ever start doing your hair and realize, what have you gotten yourself into? Is it only me? The grease is doing its thing. I don't know if I'm gonna like this more than the Indian hemp one, but we'll see. That's the first twist. I'm gonna break this down into 3. Apply the grease. and twist from the roots. So yeah, that's about it. I'm just gonna insert clips of me doing my hair now so you guys can watch that. So see you guys when we're done. We are finally done. I think I started around 6 o'clock. It's now past my bedtime. I try to be in bed by 10:30. It's 11 o'clock and I haven't done my skincare routine and cleaned up my room and prepared for work. I haven't done any of that because I had to do my hair, right? But anyway, nevertheless, I won't have to do my hair for a long time. Well, redo it. Just probably style and refresh. So we good. We good in the hood. For the front, instead of twisting right away, I braided the roots first, then twisted. It would last a little longer. If I have to refresh, that's okay, but if I just twisted, it would have gotten frizzy a lot quicker versus braiding the roots first and then twisting. Let me show you guys what my hair looks like. So my hair looks really good. My hair feels soft, extremely soft, but not too soft. My hair also feels moisturized and it's very full. Oh, so now we're gonna talk about that product that I told you guys about from Blue Magic that I didn't know that they had. When were you guys gonna tell me that Blue Magic has a curl activator, like a gel type product? I did not know this. So I'm gonna use this on my ends instead, because you guys know the last step for any twist or any of my hairstyles in general, I like to twirl my ends with gel. We have a lot of twists to go. I have no choice but to get up early in the morning, but I'm gonna twirl the ends of all this hair. I am loving the fullness. Yes, this is the last step. I like to do this one by one, so I'm gonna put all my hair up and pull one by one and take my time. No, don't take my time. I want to sleep. Okay, I want to sleep. Okay. I wish you guys can come through the screen and feel my hair right now. The castor oil Blue Magic is speaking to me. Talk to me, baby. Talk to me nice. So I'm gonna pull one by one, and I've never used this before. So if you guys have used this Curl Activator by Blue Magic before, let me know. It isn't extremely thick. It's actually kind of light. So I'm gonna twirl the ends. Okay, I don't think that's true, because since I'm gonna go to bed right away, it's not gonna really dry. My ends are pretty much already curly, but I would need a product to hold the curls in. It's curling pretty well. Look at this. Look at this curl. We are finally done. We did it. What time is it? It's 11:35. Okay, all right. We can work with that. Should be in bed before 12:30. Yeah, I'm gonna struggle waking up early in the morning. It's all worth it. This is what the ends look like. What do you guys think? I am loving it. I'm excited to see how my hair holds up. Of course, I'll take you guys along the week to show you guys what my hair looks like by the end of the week, or maybe I'll show you guys how they last depending on how long I wear them. We'll see. Just follow along, you know. I'm gonna take you guys on a journey. I am loving it. I am loving it. The fullness, the curl definition, the moisture, the softness, the bangs. Now I'm going to put my hair into a bonnet, and I washed my bonnet just in time. Wash your bonnets, please. If you're not washing your bonnets often, please wash them. If you guys know me, you already know what style I'm going to rock tomorrow, but I'll show you guys still. But guess, just guess. See you guys in the morning. I know it's pitch dark, but I just wanted to let you guys know that I got in bed at exactly 12 o'clock. So good night, good night, good night. One moment, I'm eating a mint. Good morning, good morning. It's Monday. Let's see what the hair is gonna be looking like today, this morning. So I slept in a bonnet and I kept the ponytail holder on my hair. It's satin and it's loose, so it won't really leave a dent, and if it does, then it's okay. Are we still loving it? Yes, we are. The curls are there still. The moisture is there as well. The Curl Activator didn't give me a firm hold, but it really activated the curls, but my ends aren't crunchy. My hair feels really moisturized. Oh, are you guys happy for me? I am happy for me. I'm just excited to not have to do my hair, you know. How am I gonna rock this hair today? I think I'll leave out the bangs and put in a ponytail at the back. This is my looking for ponytail look. It's not that I have them all about the place. They're in one spot, but the ones that I recently used, I kind of like put them in another spot, and that's why I'm always looking. I'm not that messy. I can be, but especially if I'm busy. Oh my gosh, like girl, guys, look at this. This looks so like I am this close to crying. Like, this looks so good. You guys see the shrinkage? I wrapped the ponytail whole around. Oh wow, I missed a strand. That definitely needs to go to the back. Just these two. I'm just gonna wrap it around the ponytail. Don't tell me I left out hair at the back too. Man. Okay, now I have to do this over. We looking cute. Once I start teaching or have my classes, I'll just tuck this away. I'm going to wear a hat either way, you guys notice. So that's why I don't really care to have my hair out when I go to work, because the hat is on my head. I'm gonna put in my earrings and head to work. I need to go. So morning guys, today is Tuesday and I actually oiled my scalp last night. Just wanted to come on here to show you guys what the hair is looking like on day 2. Well, it'll be day 3 technically. Hair still feels moisturized. The only thing though, my hair is shrinking by the day. I just put the ponytail holder around once, but I'm gonna just tuck these away until I wear my hat. Let me come up a little closer to show you guys the hair at the back. Let me just pull out the other one. Hopefully I have a good day today. As you can see, I'm drained, I'm tired. But we're gonna have a good day still. I'm gonna push through. See you guys tomorrow. Morning, it's a Wednesday and I'm feeling a lot better today. My roots are wet. I worked out this morning. My hair is still really moisturized. I am impressed with how moisturized my hair still is, and it's still soft. My ends, however, my ends are drying out. I'm just gonna refresh my ends quickly, nothing major, with the same Blue Magic Curl Activator. I'm gonna put that on mostly my ends. I'm gonna focus on my ends. So I'm just gonna rake it through my ends. I'm not gonna go curl by curl. I'm just gonna rake it through just to moisturize the ends a little bit. Curl Activator is actually low-key moisturizing as well. Focus on the ends, as I said, just the ends. How do I feel about the Blue Magic Castor Oil grease? But so far, I'm actually liking it. I'm really liking it, especially how it's keeping my mini twist moisturized. I'm really loving it, actually, not liking. So, I don't know. I'm going to continue using it and see if I like it more than the Indian hemp. But it's a tough competition between this, the castor oil, and the Indian hemp. I've been using the Indian hemp a lot more, and I just started trying this, so I can't really give a verdict yet. But so far, I am loving the Blue Magic Castor Oil. I'm going to try it for my routine soon and see how I like it doing that. But so far, as I said, I'm loving it. Oh, so this actually has in shea butter and aloe vera as well. So castor oil is giving the Indian hemp tough. Curl Activator contains no sulfates, no petroleum, and no mineral oil, if you're wondering. The first couple ingredients are water and glycerin. FYI, my hair is juicy again, and I'm still gonna rock a ponytail. Just wanted to refresh my hair. I do want to do some bantu knots with them to get that curly look, but I'll probably do that over the weekend. I'm gonna put it back into a ponytail. Gonna wrap it around twice. The Curl Activator gives you a very light hold. So if you're looking for something heavy, it's not going to do that. It's going to give you a very light jerry curl type feeling. That's what it reminds me of. Hair is fresh again. Well, the ends. I'm about to start my day and head to work. So maybe see you guys tomorrow. Will I? I showed you guys how my hair looked on the first day, the day after that, and today. And I also showed you how I would refresh my hair if I were to refresh, right? In the past, mini twist was a style that I did consistently. When I first started my hair journey, every month I used to mini twist my hair, and that's how my hair grew really long in the past. I don't do it as often now because it just takes a lot more time, and it's just a lot of work. Versus when I had a lot more time when I was younger, so that's why I don't do them as as often, but I know for sure if I were to consistently do mini twists, I would retain a lot of length. It's a very good style if you want to retain length. You just have to put more time into the upkeep. Make sure you don't let it get too dry. Make sure you're refreshing and moisturizing and stuff like that. And you can also oil your scalp if you want to. I may try mini braids. I don't know. That's a whole nother demon. I got a lot of compliments in person, and one of the main questions was how was I going to take it down. So for me, taking them down is the easy part, so I'll just show you guys how I take them down soon. Stay tuned for that video. I'm going to end the video here. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed the video, and see you guys in the next one. Bye.